now we're sitting in an estuary off the Banana River in Brevard County. Surrounding us you can see a mangrove forest. The term mangrove applies to an array of salt-tolerant species of trees and shrubs. One of the ways that mangroves can survive in such high salinity is by excreting the salt through their leaves.
The mangroves excrete so much salt that you can actually see the shimmer on the leaves and you can taste it. Tastes like table salt.
Mangrove forests are an ecosystem of incredible biological diversity, comprising of hundreds of algae, mollusks, crustaceans, fish, insects, reptiles, birds, and mammal species.
There are over 50 species of mangrove worldwide, and here in the US we just have 4. In the Banana River estuary you can find 2 species of mangrove, the red and the black mangrove. Here is an example of a red mangrove. You can see its prop roots that transport oxygen to the underground waterlogged roots. This is another good example of a red mangrove prop root. As opposed to the red mangrove, the black mangrove has these specialized roots that come from underground. These are called nematophores, and they serve the same function of root aeration.
In the tropics, mangroves can grow over 80 feet. However, in the US, they rarely grow over 20. Mangrove roots do more than provide oxygen to their plants.
They also trap sediments to decrease erosion. As if these trees weren't cool enough already, they also help us fight climate change by pulling carbon from the atmosphere and storing it in their biomass.
Mangroves perform this function particularly well because as they grow, they can store up to 5 times more carbon than an equal area rainforest.
Diversity!
From a distance, estuaries look like they don't have much going on. However, if you take a closer look, mangroves are closely intertwined with several other species.
Mangrove roots actually provide homes for many species, including fish nurseries, which attract many species of birds that roost in the trees.
Mangroves play key roles in their ecosystems as we've seen in our previous clips. Human development is the largest threat to these systems as over 60% of mangroves in the Florida Keys have been destroyed since the 1960s.
Pollution from herbicides, pesticides, wastewater, and oil spills all contribute to the damage to these ecosystems. In 1996, the Mangrove Trimming and Preservation Act was put into place to help protect these plants.
It's our responsibility to protect these ecosystems from our anthropogenic effects. Thank you.